Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply disable Steam Guard in Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Steam, then go to your right up corner and you're gonna see here account details. Just click on it and just scroll down and you're gonna see here manage Steam Guard in account security. Click on it and you're gonna see right here I have get Steam Guard codes from Steam app on my phone, or get Steam Guard codes by email. This is what I have. Or you can turn Steam Guard off. And this is what you can do also. And you can disable. Steam trading and Steam Coin Market will be unavailable while Steam Guard is disabled and will continue to be unavailable for 15 days after enabling Steam Guard. So, but I honestly recommend having it, but it's really up to you if you have it or no. So that's pretty much it. Thank you everybody, and if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye.